A for apple. All kids speak with me. B for balloon. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. Z for gun. H for house. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for notebook. O for octopus. P for bat. Q for quiet. Say R for rainbow. S for snack. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for winter. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.